Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue invoices based on time tracking logged hours on particular project on FreeAgent accounting software. So if we have a logged time, so under time tracking for particular project, so for example I will go to anniversary chocolates for Josh, and if I look on tasks, there is 2 lots of hours recorded but they be not billed. So there's 2 ways how we can issue invoices. Either we can issue through projects or through invoicing. So let's start with project. So I'm in anniversary chocolates bag and there is tasks. So I can issue invoice by clicking on add new invoice. From here, contact is automatically selected. Also project is selected. Now I can select how I want to include these hours. Either I can include all time slips on one line, so it will show up as a one line, or I can show on separate times logged. In my case, I will click on separate lines, so I can delete one and show you how you can actually issue when you are issuing just from invoicing tab. So let's click on separate lines. If you have chargeable expenses or estimates, select from drop-down list applicable functions. Okay, invoice reference is automatically generated by system, and invoice date, select different invoice date if you wish to. Payment terms you can still change. In my case I will give 7 days to pay, as well as currency. Invoice email settings, if you want to enable e-payment you can do it by here, connect to Stripe or PayPal, as well as go cardless if need to. Add discounts and click create new invoice. Now we are in invoice draft status. Here both lines of hours what need to be invoiced are showing up. So I will delete second line so I can show you how you can actually issue from invoicing section. So 44 minutes want to invoice to this customer, so you can save as PDF, send directly by email, edit, delete, or there is more options to choose from. If you download as PDF and send as a letter, you can mark this invoice as sent from here. Okay, so this is how we can issue invoice from projects tab. If you go through invoicing, you will need to add new invoice, select contact if it's different contact, select project, which one you want to invoice, and the same way include all time slips or separate them. I will click on separate lines. Invoice reference, previous was 008, now is 009. Choose invoice date, and payment terms change if you want to change them. So currency is there, notes, text, e-payments, more options if you wish to. And click create new invoice. Here, second option of hours have been added. The same way, download, send by email, edit, delete, or more options, or mark as sent. So if I go to work and to projects and look at tasks under anniversary chocolate bags, these hours have been billed now. So in this episode I showed you how you can issue invoices either from invoicing or directly from projects sections on FreeAgent accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.